Good day, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. As you come, like, and if you're your first time, subscribe. Look who I'm here with.
We're here.
Missed
We're
us.
here, we are.
Here
They missed us.
in the grill filming.
Tori,
Yes, welcome.
why you always have to sound so sexual? As a matter of fact, why Tori have to sound so sexual all the time?
What? That's just who we are.
Don't mistake mellow for sexual.
It's just who we are.
Don't confuse mellow with sexual. But anyhow, what we are doing today, so my third attempt on the short film thing. I don't know exactly what over here's name. Which one over here's name?
NCB Plaza.
Oh, they might admire themselves in the mirror over there.
What plaza your name for real?
NCB Plaza.
Times Square?
No, Times Square down this one.
As I say, I'm a third time now. So the first time, what did happen the first time? I don't remember what did happen the first time. Let's start. Let's say things.
18s.
Yeah, honestly, Natasha did a laugh. With the rain and all the camera issues and thing. And the second time, lighting time run out and shoot. But you know, then say third time is a charm. So I'm here, third time, try and get it done. So till me I'll write down the whole structure and everything. So, me I film at the same time, I catch behind the scenes, everything, and me I bring on with me, make you get some visuals and probably just move straight into the short film from here. So my first shot at the beginning of this movie will be a perspective of the location. So I get one wide view with the location, I can have one kind of sense as to where the characters are. And that we don't know. And that we don't know, we take up my time now. So she I go tell me now, where do the story now? Say she don't want that in the Candy, why are you so unruly? You know, chat. Show people on my phone where you get. You can't get me your phone. Come, I don't have a chat word. Come. Say thanks. Tell the people them thanks. I want you to tell them thanks on my channel because you come on my channel and make them know you never have no phone. So when you have phone now, I want you to make them know you have phone. So I'll link up Candy on our Instagram. Come. See there. Make enough in your business. Pretty phone.
You're fast, you see?
Watch him, like so. Anyways, people, first perspective, first shot, be a perspective of the location. I need Candy because, so yeah, I have to BTS and still shoot the film same way. So, I have to go across the road probably to get to a nice view of this place. Yeah, the NCB sign and things. So, you know, say, movies we have to do with drugs and them something. They have to shoot them as an upscale looking place because of them the kind of place the people who make drugs money go. So, Candy, you can't in another shot here, so here, so you have to go hide. I go across the road and get the perspective. No, you have to, because I go take one shot with you before rain come down. Candy, go hide.
You know what they say that mean? Back say they want sex. They say when they go there the first time, I'm around one time.
Just talk.
I'm around one time.
Hello, you guys talking about?
Eh?
Yes, you have to look, nothing over here.
What we were talking about?
Just still
We're not talking about nothing.
we were talking about.
When I say I thought about me, why you so hot for me? Many of me white full.
Yes. And the brown one.
No, listen, Fichu, in Jamaica, we say we hot through the sun and the heat upon our body. But in Trinidad, we
Can't
say
you hear
hot.
that was? We can't hear that was.
The heat, okay.
You don't understand the sun when the time hot and your body hot.
No, but like, whenever.
You never there. We are talking about.
Oh, you there tell me when I talk about a while ago?
Eh,
But me hear say something about sex.
this is the first thing that she said.
So me can't talk about sex, Candy.
I don't really sex.
You want sex, Candy? You want sex?
No, I don't.
So me can't talk about
We
sex.
just say we Jamaicans say hot when the sun hot and we body feel the heat. But in Trinidad, if you say hot, then think of sex you want to have. What's your problem? You don't understand that?
So what?
Are
You just
you
talk about
want
sex? Me want sex?
We just say ask you.
No, but that's one like I want question a while ago. Well, because me come here and I talk about sex. But you not dead. You see you're bad man. What do you guys think? Do you think this looks like? I think this make one nice set for like warehouse. Shit. Tori,
Yeah.
why you so unkind to me?
What have I done?
You always a pick on me.
First of all, I don't speak unless I'm spoken to, so that's a lie.
So we're friends?
We work together.
We hugged in the very first video. It did not look like this.
First of all, me have to slipper. Me never finish.
I'm messing with you. Anyhow.
Hello.
Hi again, pretty girl.
What?
You're such an interesting person, you know that?
Why?
As a matter of fact, when I hear the sound from the rain, people, I'm gonna test the sound from this, see if I could shoot all the night here. Can I just say scrap it, just vlog?
Yo.
Alright, hold on.
One, two. I don't usually speak this loud.
Why that sound if you deal drugs?
Me a deal drugs?
If you deal drugs.
Mellow. Don't talk more.
The environment I kind of fit in one way.
I know. It's perfect.
Sorry, but yes, Mr. Lawrence is up to something. Yeah, I couldn't help guys, but I couldn't help but notice two set of girls there one place and then two set there one next place. I couldn't help but notice. We're going back right now. No, seriously.
No, it's fine. It's
no,
fine.
I need to forget this
It's
behind the
fine.
scene.
It's fine. Just tell me where you want.
So,
I want already.
I need you to repeat what you just said.
Alright.
You think?
Yeah, I was just asking if, because me and Shann kind of dress alike, if we are one team and then Candy
And then
and
we're
Ruby are
one
one
team.
team. So, would that give me a better idea of what
So,
we're talking about?
You and Shann and Candy and...
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Thank you. So, do you see what I did right there? Thank you. I'm posting your pretty faces on the internet. People love you guys.
It's hot in here.
Honey's mommy.
If we're not shoot, we need to get some other rain.
I need to come out of Santa Larian kind of. I think I not notice so. I notice so. No, I can read woman mind sometimes.
Akeem, you're so terrible.
Can it? Real puppy show. So, we are wait for the boy. You saw me at that one?
They have everything over here. One doctor office. They have everything.
Hey.
Maybe they are expensive in this to come say.
But that ever expensive everywhere.
Where are you
It's
at?
expensive. No, because of stress. Them places are expensive.
You think when I notice that too?
They are noticing me for.
Notice everybody. What do you
They are noticing me for. I think me joke out here. Me I notice.
All you? Think when I notice that?
Where you want from me, Akim?
What you want from me?
Where you want from me?
If I tell you, you give me.
It depends.
Hi! Boy! Don't say you're going to party.
But that you ask me more, I never tell us more, you know? You ask me some more. So, I have to try and seize, if possible, any opportunities.
Please do leave me alone.
Stop.
Stop cussing me and bother me.
I got bother them 2 years around after that. Are you really want to interview me? Somebody else tell me so they want to interview me.
I don't know. I could interview you, but what kind of questions do you have?
Yo, every single thing you say, you just have this sexual thing about it.
That's how it is.
That's all what it is.
That's how it is.
Okay. Yo, I think it's a nice picture, but I take with the oil bright or something. I'll try some photos.
And you know, Candy, about your end. So you know, Candy, how your ends there.
You know, so everything good. Because we have about 15 police and about 25.
Ready?
So you know, Candy, how your ends there.
You know, everything legit though. We have 15 man on the back, 17 ammunition, 17 ammunition, 17 ammunition. That?
20.
At 20, me did go say, but you ain't your son enough. Akim, take care of me and you see it and the man say I'm needed. What's your
This happened behind the scenes,
You
right?
ready?
So now for me.
Talk to Officer Mackenzie about 3 o'clock. 15 of them are going to roll out. So about an hour before that was supposed to good.
Planka,
Everything legit, man.
everything good down there? Alright. Tell me about your end.
Everything sort out, everything good. Is
Alright.
it?
Alright, ladies. I like how everything sound. So, this is all me have to say. You just make sure say them police they stay far. You just make sure say flanker stay clear. Not even one man for the on the road. And you know, Candy, make sure say all of them man where you have govern when I need no wild shot of fire. Cause for we chuck them, I don't know, normal truck we are driving, I know we don't need no bullet hole in them truck there. So we want everything to clean and done. It's alright. Chop chop ladies. We'll make this up. Alright, boss.